Hi everyone, welcome back. Ashish aside, and today I'm going to speak about how you can use AI for planning your 30 days of content. And I'm going to share you my documents and sheets. Make sure you check description or comments. Okay. Now, in this video, I'm also going to talk about how you can use Claude to repurpose your same piece of content into multiple different formats. Okay, I'll be sharing you prompts for that as well. And the third thing is for SEO, like people who are into blogging and SEO, I'm also going to share prompts for that as well. All right, so without wasting more time, let's get started. I hope the screen share is visible. You guys can see that how you can create a content for 30 days. I have created a 30-day content calendar, which I'm going to share you. Okay, so all you have to do is upload this 30-day content calendar to your Claude and ask Claude to generate post based on your memory. Or else you can also do is, this is something which I will also recommend, that if day one by day two, like every day, if you just copy the content for that day and then ask GPT or Claude to refine the content only specifically for that day, that would be much more better, because in this way you are able to write it in depth rather than doing all at once. So all you have to do is, let's just say, copy this one, day X, and then I'll quickly open Claude, write a LinkedIn post sharing 10 lessons I learned from using AI in business operations. Operations. You guys can write it according to your own industry, your own experience, and everything. Okay. Now it is going to write a post for me. If you upload the entire sheet, then it will take you more time, so I recommend go one by one. Okay, now it is writing. So you can see here, most people use AI in wrong in their business. They think it's a magic button. It's not, it's a mirror. 10 months of running AI into my operations, and it is giving me all those things. It is also writing based on my memory as well. Now I'm going to share you this 30-day content calendar. This is usually I use for pretty much every industry and domain. So you can use it for your industry and domain. You have to just fine tune it based on your own experience, based on your own story. This is like a framework which you can use. This framework has helped me scale up my own LinkedIn profile and for my clients as well. So yeah, this is going to help you a lot. Now the second document, that is about blogging and prompts related to repurposing content engine, is now being shared. Now, this is a SEO plus blogging complete playbook. Okay. Now you can see here what is inside, what we are going to cover. I'll quickly zoom it so that everyone can read properly. Now, we are going to cover the SEO checklist. I'm going to share a checklist in this document which is going to help you do your SEO. AI blogging prompts, which you can paste directly into Claude, ChatGPT, or any tool. I'll recommend Claude. Okay. Now, topic idea banks, it is mainly to repeat formula for generating fresh ideas and basically repurposing thing here and there. This section includes how to use this ebook and specifically who this is for. Pretty much I believe everyone can use it if you're into writing space, content creation space. Okay. Now the SEO checklist. These are the rules, these are the layers you need to be aware about. Now the keyword research. Now on page SEO, technical SEO, and off page SEO. I've covered all the three important pillars. Okay. Now these are the trackings which you can set up to check and see what is working, what is not working. Now part two, which is most important, AI blogging prompts. Now AI blogging prompts, it covers all the prompts like this: for research and keywords, for outlining prompts like build a full blog outline from a keyword, or reverse engineering a topic, ranking with the competitors. We all can agree that we are always actively looking what our competitors are writing, right? So you guys can use this prompt to figure out and write it better. Now this is for drafting. Instructions are very well defined, so it will be very easier to for you to utilize it. Now this is very important, chapter 11, that is repurposing prompt. So if let's say you have a blog post and you want to rewrite it in a LinkedIn carousel, you can use this. If you have a blog post you want to rewrite it in Twitter, you can use this. Into an email newsletter, you can use this prompt. If you want to, make it a short video format, you can use this one. This is topic idea banks. So basically this is going to help you understand which topic to write, how to write, and everything. Okay. Pretty much this whole ebook contains everything for you. All you have to do is start implementing. Okay. And do let me know how this ebook is helping you out. That's all for the day. This video is short. It's just a 5-minute guide. I'm going to attach these resources in the description as well as comments. Make sure you guys check it out. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like the content. Please follow the channel. I'm going to plan to create a next video on how to do lead generation using Claude as well as free methods. Subscribe for more. Bye.